Hi, this is Jonna Smith with ThriveWise Coaching. This 12-minute Yoga Nidra is part of the Train Your Mind to Train Your Body series, created to enhance body awareness and support recovery after a workout. Yoga Nidra, often referred to as yogic sleep, is a deeply relaxing, meditative practice that allows the body and the mind to rest and rejuvenate. Neuroscientists describe this practice as non-sleep deep rest, NSDR, and it's been proven to lower cortisol, improve heart rate variability, and restore your capacity for both mental and physical work, which makes it an invaluable tool for athletes looking to boost recovery, resilience, and performance between training sessions. It's very simple. You'll find a comfortable place to lie down. You can use your bed, a couch, the floor, or even consider a reclining chair. Make sure the room is quiet and dimly lit. If the room is bright, consider using a light piece of cloth like a dark t-shirt to cover your eyes. You may want to grab a blanket, socks, or anything to keep you warm as your body may cool off the deeper you relax. Please lie down on your back. Arms can be comfortably by your sides or resting on your abdomen, whichever makes you feel more grounded. Close your eyes and allow your feet to fall naturally outward. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Feeling that your body is beginning now to unwind, repeat 2 more times. A deep breath in through your nose and a slow exhale out of your mouth. To begin, we will set a simple intention for this practice. It might be to enhance your body awareness, to support your recovery. Please silently repeat to yourself 3 times. I rest so my body can repair. Recovery is part of my training. I am grateful for this healing. I rest so my body can repair. Recovery is part of my training. I am grateful for this healing. One more time, please. I rest so my body can repair. Recovery is part of my training, and I am grateful for this healing. Now we'll begin a body scan. You'll begin to shift your attention to different parts of your body, bringing awareness and relaxation to each area. We'll move slowly, spending a few seconds on each body part. Relax and soften your right foot, ankle, calf. Relax and soften your right knee, right thigh. Now move please to the left foot. Soften and relax left ankle, left calf, knee, left thigh. Now please bring your attention to both legs together. Soften and release both legs together. Attention to your pelvis. Soften and release your hips, lower back, your abdomen, soften, release through your chest, rib cage, mid back, soften, release your upper back, shoulders. Feel your whole torso soften and release. Bring your attention to your right hand. Soften. Forearm. Right elbow. Upper arm. Shoulders. Move your attention to your left hand. Soften. Release. Left forearm. Left elbow. Upper arm. Shoulders. Now bring your attention to both arms and shoulders together. Soften and release both arms and your shoulders together. Feel your jaw, your mouth, your throat spacious. Soften and release your nose, your cheeks, eyes, your forehead and scalp. Soften and release. Now please feel all of those body parts at once. Soften and release all those points at once. You can mentally repeat, I'm aware of my whole body. I soften and release my whole body. If you notice any tension, imagine it melting away with each exhale. Now please shift your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breathing without needing to change it or control it. Notice that it is the perfect rhythm for right now. Feel the rise and the fall of the breath at your abdomen. The perfect rhythm for right now. Feel the expansion of your chest. The more you relax, the more you notice it's the perfect rhythm for right now. Please sense that with every inhale, fresh energy is entering your body. And with every exhale, visualize fatigue or tension leaving your body. With every inhale, fresh energy entering your body. With every exhale, tension, fatigue, leaving your body. Please continue for a few more cycles. Now please imagine a warm wave of relaxation slowly spreading from your toes to the crown of your head. Picture this wave carrying healing energy, soothing your muscles and your joints. Please imagine this warm wave of relaxation carrying healing energy, soothing your muscles and joints at the deepest level. Your body recovering, replenishing, becoming stronger. Warm wave of relaxing energy spreading from your toes to the crown of your head, carrying healing energy, replenishing, healing your muscles and joints. Visualize that your body is recovering and becoming stronger. If you like, you can silently repeat, "My body is recovering. My body is strong. My body is recovering. My body is strong." You begin to see that your body is recovering, is stronger, and has been replenished. My body is recovering. My body is strong. Now please release the technique. The practice of Yoga Nidra is complete. We'll close by silently repeating the intention 3 times, the exact words that you used at the beginning of our practice today. You can repeat silently, "I rest so my body can repair. Recovery is part of my training, and I am grateful for this healing. I rest so my body can repair. Recovery is part of my training, and I am grateful for this healing. One last time. I rest so my body can repair. Recovery is part of my training, and I am grateful for this healing. You can now begin to bring your awareness back to the room. You can keep your eyes closed and visualize the room you're in, gently bringing movement back into your fingers and toes. Maybe gently tilt your head side to side. You can rest here actually as long as you like, but when you're ready, open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel, and thank yourself for dedicating the time to your recovery and your body awareness. Remember that deep rest and recovery is not a luxury. It's actually part of smart training, giving your body and your brain a chance to reset so that you can come back stronger to your next session, your next meeting, your next workout. So thank you for practicing with me today. This is Jana with ThriveWise Coaching and your Train Your Mind to Train Your Body series.